Today, I'll show you how to withdraw on LBank Exchange. Before you start, make sure your LBank account has security verification enabled, such as two-factor authentication. LBank may require this before allowing withdrawals. You should also double-check the withdrawal address and network, because crypto sent to the wrong address or wrong network may be lost. LBank's official withdrawal guide says users must choose the token, select on-chain withdrawal, enter the address, choose the correct network, review the fee, and complete security verification. First, log into your LBank account. From the main dashboard, go to Assets, then click Withdraw. Now search for the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, such as USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Next, paste the wallet address where you want to send the crypto. After that, select the correct network. For example, if you are withdrawing USDT, you may see options like TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Make sure the network matches the receiving wallet or exchange. If the receiving platform requires a memo or tag, enter it carefully. Now type the withdrawal amount. Review the withdrawal fee and the estimated amount you will receive. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. LBank will ask you to complete security verification, such as email code, SMS code, or Google Authenticator. After confirmation, your withdrawal request will be submitted and processed on the blockchain, and that's it. You've successfully withdrawn crypto from LBank Exchange. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.